everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to securely set up TiviMate Player on your Firestick, Android TV, or any device. If you encounter any problems, don't worry. Just click the link in the description below or the pinned comment, and I'll personally guide you through it step-by-step for free. Let's get it done together. First, open TiviMate Player on your device. The application will pop up its terms of use. If you accept them, click Accept. This simply gets the app running and installs any necessary components. When you reach the home screen, there will usually be an option to add a playlist. You can choose to add Xtream Codes login credentials or an M3U playlist. The credentials method is a secure login method that allows you to access your provider's entire catalog, while playlists are imported via direct links. Both methods are commonly used. Please choose the one provided by your IPTV provider. If you already have a legitimate IPTV provider account, choose the Xtream Codes option. You will be prompted to enter 3 basic pieces of information: server URL, username, and password. Please enter the information exactly as your provider provides, and then click Next. The application will connect, import your channel list and e-playlist, and populate the interface. If your provider offers you an M3U playlist, select the appropriate option. Paste the M3U URL into the box and add it. The playlist will load the channels and groups associated with that link. Again, only use playlists directly from legitimate providers you've paid for or registered with. If you're tired of searching for reliable providers, leave it to me. Simply click the link in the description below or the pinned comment, and I'll send you a complete hands-on setup tutorial for TiviMate along with my trusted recommendations. We'll configure it all at once. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future great guides. Stay safe, use legitimate services, and see you in the next video.